Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to use Autofit in your worksheet here on Excel. Now if this video is helpful for you, or if you're new here, please give us a like and a comment down below, as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so as you can see we are currently here on our worksheet and we're going to type in hello world, it is me. Okay. Now, as you can see, this has gone beyond the box, and you may find, so for example, let's put this in different boxes. We don't want to manually be going in and adjusting these. That is absolutely fine. All you need to do is go to the gap between the columns and just double click, and that will automatically change to the correct size. You can also, holding shift, select multiple different columns and just double click, and it will do it to all the columns. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.